In this quick tutorial, we will see how to add basemap easily in QGIS 4.0. First, go to Plugins menu and then Manage and Install Plugins. Under the All, you need to search for QuickMap and you will find one plugin named NextGIS QuickMapServices. Click this and install plugin. The plugin is installed. Let's close this. Here you will find one search NextGIS QMS panel. We will not use this. Let's close this. And you will find the option under web and then QuickMapServices. Here you will find lot of options to add basemap. Let's add Google Hybrid Basemap. Now the basemap is added. If we want to add Esri, then we can go to Esri and Esri satellite. Now we can see the Esri satellite, which is usually basemap of ArcGIS and ArcGIS Pro. And we can also add OpenStreetMap. This one is the OpenStreetMap standard one. And if we need, we can also add OpenStreetMap TopoMap. This is a very convenient way to add basemaps in QGIS. Thanks for watching.